Welcome back to my channel. You can see a bunch of floaters, a bunch of like butterflies, and a bunch of these things, right? That's a baby butterfly. That looks so cool.
Okay, let's reading here, Vanessa. Say. Okay. You wanna show us all these flowers?
Here you guys, you can see, and there's a chair to sit down and take a picture with the flowers. Come over here, you guys. There's even more flowers over here that look more beautiful. And this a bunch. And these are flowers but they're died. And there's some over here that didn't. Oh, there's some over here that look kind of weird. Dad, look behind you.
Oh my God.
They look such a beautiful.
Oh,
Daddy.
Ben, let's go
Oh.
around here.
And there's some other chair as you can see. Other chair.
What is that?
It's a beautiful dog that got a decoration. Other beautiful decoration.
Snowman
Yeah, snowman
and Poopy Slide.
yeah. Who left the decoration in here, Daddy?
I don't know. Okay, so let's go over there.
Probably it's the person that supposed to live in here.
Yeah.
Brian, does she
And who is the house over there? You see the house?
Look, that's a birdhouse.
It's a bird house? Okay.
The decoration looks so cute, right? You
Mhm.
guys, somebody supposed to live here and supposed to like leftovers in here, right?
Yeah.
Daddy.
So go
Probably
inside and check this flower, big
Daddy,
flower.
looks so beautiful,
Go.
right, Daddy?
Go.
I'm just so scared.
It's okay.
Big butterfly. I mean, not a big butterfly. It's a big flood.
A ver,
That big one.
go and touch it.
I'm so scared to go over here. This
Go more close. More. Besa, he can eat you.
No?
No, I'm just kidding. No, go and touch it. Not gonna eat you, never.
Oh, I'm so scared the ones that are looking at me.
Looking at you. But we can come tomorrow morning. No, you morning you go to school. I'm recording a video for you when you be in school tomorrow. You need to sleep early today.
I already know that. Yeah. I'm so excited.
Come, Vanessa.
But still,
Let's go. You're so scared in here. Come.
Just like
Vanessa, I can see a PC9 over there. Who's PC9?
Daddy.
What?
He's not invisible.
It's not visible?
No.
So how can I see a PC9 is like a ninja guy?
He's a mean guy that fights every time.
I'm scared, Vanessa. Hold my hand. I'm really,
Don't be scared.
I'm really scared. Oh my
Don't
God.
be scared, Rita.
Oh my God. I'm really scared. What is that, Vanessa?
Dad, don't be scared. Look it. That's the bridge. We can sit down. This is the one that I saw from. This is the place that I saw from YouTube, and it's a song for you to go to sleep, and she's like this.
Okay.
And with all the water.
Music for sleep?
Yeah, and it's like, oh. then she did this.
Ok, vamos por tu bicicleta.
Daddy, I don't. Daddy, oh.
What? What?
I'm gonna go over here. Over here.
What?
I still want to see the decoration. Let's go see the decoration.
Espérese, pero tu bike, ¿no se la va a llevar PC9?
No! Not a physical stuff. It's a real bird. Daddy, you thought somebody made these? Daddy, nobody made these, I think.
It burns like that?
No, I think like the hospital made them.
The hospital?
Yeah. When like you're like down in here and they say this cool rock is so cool.
Ok, vamos a ver cuánto tiempo tardamos para llegar a house. Let's go.
It says, what did it says, Daddy?
West Alice Rock.
What kind of rock is this?
West Alice is like a 5-10 minutes from here. We are in Milwaukee, so
And who
West
rock
Alice is
this?
like a 10 minutes.
Is it long? Or no?
It's not. It's not long. Okay, so Nesia,
Let's see what is behind this.
stop talking. Okay,
What is this?
West Alice Rock as well. Let me see. Let me show in camera. West Alice Rocks. Yeah.
Who are these rocks though? Who made these? You know who made these?
You wanna make one and live in here as well? Nesia, I wanna go to house.
I know.
I wanna go back to home now.
But then,
Okay, we
but
can
it
go
looks
tomorrow.
beautiful here.
You really like it?
Yeah, we could tell mom to come with us.
Okay.
It's beautiful in here, right?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Give a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Bye. Peace out.
No, I'm not cut the video right now. Let's go.
No, let's go with the whole. Guys, I actually tricked you, Daddy. I tricked you, Daddy. I tricked everybody that are watching this video.
Okay, we keep going.
Let's go up the bridge and tell Mom to come with us. It looks so beautiful in here.
Okay.
And show her the rock that we found, right?
Okay. We can do that. Just
Okay.
because why not?
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Somebody.
But you need to go like a super faster because you go in a hill up.
Okay.
Strong. No, don't stop.
We was down there. Remember, guys?
Yeah.
You guys remember. Because you guys are watching this video. Okay. This is not far away. Our house is close to here, right, Daddy?
Yeah, it's pretty close
Yeah,
to
so
here.
close to the hospital.
Mhm.
Right over there is the hospital flowers. Right?
Yes.
The,
Yes, yeah.
the hospital got like really good flowers. Because the flower was going there forever, you guys. And when they were babies, they looked so beautiful.
Uh-oh.
I wish I could go back to.
Go, faster.
Where I want to go back to.
No, to go to get mom.
Oh yeah, I forgot. For the thing, right? I keep just like changing my mind. Look, we need to go mom.
Oh, careful.
I'm just kidding. Let's go.
Can you make noises as el paletero?
Huh?
¿Puedes hacer noises como el paletero? Go, faster.
I'm going faster, Daddy. I'm going faster than I can. One, 2, 3, 4.
Go, Venecia, go. I'm waiting for you.
Pause. Pause.
Okay, looks like you're right, Venecia. Okay, now it's time to bye-bye.
No, you guys. It's still gonna record. This is gonna be a long video, you guys. So, you guys, we're gonna tell Mom and we're gonna show you, okay? This is a long video. So.